In this video, I'll be talking about the max width property. Now, this concept is a bit hard to grasp at first, so please pay extra attention. In fact, it took me a bit of time to really understand what it is. Now, what max width does is it specifies the maximum allowed width of a particular element. Now, this means no matter how big or how small the screen gets, the element can get no bigger than this. Now, it's going to be a lot easier for you to understand if I give you an example. So, let's first create a divider. Let's give it an ID of A. Okay. So for A, let's set its background color to green. Let's set its height to 20 pixels. Let's set its width to 800 pixels. So under divider A, let's set another divider. And let's give it an ID of B. So as for the style here, let's give it a background color of red. Let's set a height to 20. But for the width, let's set not width, but max width to 800. And please note, I said max width 800, not width 800. Let me show you in the browser what the difference is. It's much easier when you see the actual browser. So when the browser is full, they look exactly the same. Let me shrink and show you what happens. See, notice how the first divider, the one in green, actually extends beyond the screen, see? But you notice how the red one is getting shorter and shorter, see? The red one gets shorter and shorter, but the green one stays the same. The screen is very small, it's way smaller than 800 pixels, yet the green remains 800 pixels long. The red has shrunk. So in other words, in summary, the B divider is either 800 pixels or less, but the A divider stays 800 pixels no matter what. Anyways, that about finishes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I'll see you next time.